Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Heaven. And Heaven, how are you doing? It's been a year. Happy anniversary.
Anniversary. It has been lovely. It actually flew by. I'm super happy with the results. It's better than I could have imagined, seriously.
I was so happy when we spoke yesterday and you showed me the results. I was, your hair texture, the quality, the right side was definitely worse than the left side.
Yeah.
And, we really jam-packed that area. But to see the results 1 year later, when did you start really noticing the results?
I actually noticed results quicker than you said that I would. I know that you said it'd be around the 4 month mark, but I want to say around three, I started to notice that the density was there with what was coming in. So it wasn't really long at the time, but I could tell that it was more hair than what I had walked in there with.
So looking back, when you came here a year ago, nervous, a little anxious,
Yeah.
explain to people what the whole process was or what you want to share with somebody who's potentially interested in a hair transplant.
Yeah, I would just say that exactly what you guys say it is exactly what it's going to be. The numbing part was the most painful. After that, you really don't feel anything. The process is quick and easy. You're eating snacks and watching movies.
Talking to me for a little bit.
Talking to you, exactly. And when I heard reviews and read things online, I thought, okay, it has to be more than that, but it's really not. It's painless, really, and the recovery was really easy for me. I didn't even take the pain medication that was prescribed. So
And I would tell you 85% of my patients don't even get the prescription filled, even though I do write a prescription. And once the sutures are out, you're back to sleeping completely normal, and you're just waiting for that hair to grow.
hmm
Heaven, I am so happy that we were able to catch up at the 1 year mark. As we always do, we always follow up with you at 4 months, 9 months, and a year. You still have my personal cell phone number, so if you ever need anything, please don't hesitate to call. And for anybody who's interested in getting a hair transplant, please call us here at Natural Transplants. I'm Dr. Siegel. Here I am with Heaven, and you look amazing. Congratulations.
Thanks.
And as I
Thank
say,
you.
happy anniversary.
Thanks.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.